शादिर लाव बनायलो मोरे बोईरागी हो शादिर लाव बनायलो मोरे बोईरागी। हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। This is Shruti Bhide and I'm extremely honored to be performing at one of the most prestigious Durga festivals this year, which is the Sorba Durga Festival. This is happening on the 21st of October, 7 p.m. onwards at the Sorba Pooja grounds. This event is being managed by Mr. Manoj Kumar Agarwal of Stellar Events. And we have a wonderful Bollywood night which will be presented to you by few of the most renowned musicians and singers of Namma Bengaluru. We have the theme, which is Bengalis in Bollywood over the decades. Isn't that a wonderful theme? So please be there. I welcome you all and request you all to please be there, and let's have some fun and celebrate Ma Durga. See you all on October 21st. Thank you.